Welcome everyone. In this part, we are going to see how to do the production MD run. In the previous part, we have seen how to do the NPT equilibration. So after the NPT equilibration, we need to start the MD production run. In this step, you have to decide how much nanoseconds you need to run. So this is the working folder. To start the MD production run, we need the md.mdp file. To get that, go to mdtutorials.com and go to step 8 production MD. Okay, in this page, you can download the md.mdp. So just click here. So this is the md.mdp file. Press Ctrl S to save this file and save in the working folder, that is the desktop/md, and click on save. Now the file is saved successfully. This is the md.mdp file that we have downloaded now. So when you open this file, you can see the number of steps, okay, and the number of nanoseconds the simulation should run. This is the part we have to specify how much nanoseconds we need to run this simulation. I am going to run this for 100 picoseconds. Here I am going to edit the time point as necessary. So I am going to run 50,000 steps. Okay. So that is equivalent to 100 picoseconds. By default, it will be given 5,000 steps. Okay, to save the answers, log file and the coordinates. I am going to change it as 500. So 50,000 steps, each 500 steps it will save the answers, log file and the coordinates. So every 1 picosecond it will save the answers, coordinates and the log file. So that we will get us 100 frames. When you scroll down, you can see the temperature coupling groups. This is the protein_JSF4. This is one group, and water and ions. This is the second group. But in the index.ndx file, the water and ions will be present in a group called CLA. So give this accordingly. Watch the previous video to see how to create the index file and how to manage the index file. So that's all. Now save this file and close this. Now we have successfully set up the md.mdp file. Now just open the terminal and give this command gmx grompp -f. That is the input mdp file md.mdp and then -c npt.gro. This is the structure file from the previous step. -t, that is the checkpoint file npt.cpt. -p to update the topology file, that is topol.top. -n, that is index file index.ndx. -o, md.tpr. So this is the final tpr file, that is we are going to generate from this command. So give enter. This step will be completed in few seconds. After this step is completed, the md.tpr file will be generated here. Okay. Now you can see the command is completed and the md.tpr file is also generated. So this is the binary file. We are going to use this file in the second command. So after go mpp command, we are going to use the gmx mdram -b, that is for verbose, and -defnum, that is the default name md, which means the output files generated by this command will have the default name of md. Okay. For example, md.log, md.xtz. Okay. So give enter. So now the production MD run is started and it will run 50,000 steps at 100 picoseconds. If you want to know this time step calculation, you watch my other video, insulin in water MD simulation video. There I have clearly explained the number of steps and picosecond nanosecond calculation. Now the steps are running. While running every 500 steps, it will save the coordinates RNG and log in the files. Now the gmx mdrun command is completed. You can see starting mdrun lysozyme in water. This is specified because you can see in the total.top file, this is the total.top file. When you scroll down here, you can see the name of the system is lysozyme in water. So that's why here lysozyme in water is displayed. You can change the name of the system in the topology file so that it will be displayed in the terminal window. Okay. So that's all. md.grow file and the md.xtc file, these both are generated. Okay. So that's all for MD production run. In the next video, we can see how to view the XTC file and convert the touch trace and the complete analysis. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned.